Here's my method for cleaning a burnt pan. Thanks to it, my pots are clean and shiny. I've tried many methods before, but none worked as well as this one. Prepare a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The next surprising ingredient is toothpaste. Add 1 tablespoon. Then include 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Mix everything together to combine the ingredients. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix thoroughly until you notice foam starting to form. This indicates that the chemical reaction is happening correctly. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface of the pan. Make sure the entire burnt area is covered with foam. Allow the foam to work for a few minutes. Take a dish sponge and start scrubbing the pan. Clean it until you see the burnt residues starting to come off. Once the entire burnt layer has been removed, rinse the pan with warm water. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. Thanks to this method, you don't have to worry about burnt residues anymore. Give it a try and see how easily you can clean a burnt pan. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Trick to make your entire kitchen shine. Metal pots, bowls, and elements on various equipment will regain their shine. This way, you will remove all stains and streaks from metal dishes. Steel will look like new. You can recommend this method to friends and family. Pour a tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl. Our grandmothers often used starch to clean various surfaces. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for removing greasy stains. Pour a measure of laundry detergent. Add 1 measure of dishwashing liquid. Pour a glass of water. Mix everything together. These products are excellent for removing various stains and will deal with streaks and stains on steel elements. Pour the mixture into a measuring cup and using a funnel, pour it into a bottle with a spout. It can be an empty bottle from the previous dishwashing liquid. You can use this liquid immediately to clean metal elements in kitchen equipment. Just use a small amount of liquid and wipe the equipment with a cloth, then wipe dry with a towel. You will quickly notice that the steel becomes shiny. Stains and streaks disappear. You can also clean a metal kettle with it. Without scrubbing, it will be shiny as new in a few seconds. This liquid keeps all my pots clean. They are shiny like new. Your sandwich maker will be clean in seconds, without the tedious scrubbing of burnt residue. If you're wondering how to clean your sandwich maker quickly and effectively, this method is for you. Any sandwich lover uses their sandwich maker frequently, but cleaning it isn't as enjoyable. If the sandwich maker is used often, it becomes increasingly difficult to clean. Some people even stop using it because they don't know how to clean it properly. But the solution is very simple. Next time your sandwich maker gets dirty, use the paper towel trick. Every sandwich maker manual should mention this cleaning method. And it's not just about wiping the surface with a paper towel. You need to use it in a rather unusual way. Tear off a few pieces of paper towel. Prepare a bowl of water. Dip the paper towel pieces into the water. Squeeze out the excess water. Now spread these pieces of paper towel on the sandwich maker. They can overlap. Close the sandwich maker and turn it on for a few minutes. The high temperature and steam from the water will loosen the burnt residue. The paper towels will absorb all the dirt. Use kitchen tongs to remove them. Gently wipe the surface of the sandwich maker with the damp paper towels, and you're done. A simple coin solved the oven problem. From now on, cleaning the oven is a piece of cake. Finally, all the burnt residues have disappeared. I used a natural mixture. I also used the coin trick. To prepare the special mixture, use 1 small cup of baking soda. Pour in half a cup of water. Add another cup of spirit vinegar. Do it gradually because foam will surely form. It's a reaction from the combination of soda and vinegar. This mixture works wonders in the oven. Take a dish sponge. Apply the mixture to the burnt areas. Cover all the burnt residue that has baked onto the bottom of the oven. Do it thoroughly. Put the rest of the mixture in the oven. The dish must be heat resistant. Close the oven. Set it to 100 degrees. Turn it on for about 40 minutes. After this time, remove the bowl. Start cleaning the graty. Just a regular spong is enough for this. You don't have to scrub anything. The burnt residue comes off on its own. Flip the grate over. After a short while, it's as good as new. Also, wipe the glass on the oven door. The dirt and residue are gone. Now start removing the mixture from the bottom of the oven. Use the sponge to remove the soda and burnt residue. The burnt residue comes off as if by magic. Just gather all the dirt. It's almost unbelievable. After a while, there won't be a trace of dirt or burnt residue. If there are any individual burnt spots left, you don't have to make the soda, water, and vinegar mixture again. Just use the coin trick. It's very simple and effective. Rub the burnt spots with the coin. They'll come off for sure. Any place that the soda didn't neutralize for some reason, you can remove with the coin. As a result, the oven is finally truly clean and shiny. The burnt residues are gone. It's hard to believe it's the same oven. The whole secret is the mixture of soda with water and vinegar and the coin. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces.